Stinking hellebore plant profile. Stinking hellebore, Helleborus foetidus, is a perennial plant that is native to the mountains of Europe and Southwest Asia. Despite the common name, the flowers don't smell bad at all. In fact, to notice the stink, you will have to actually crush the foliage and take a whiff of that. So don't let that scary name keep you from growing it. This tough plant has beautiful, finely cut leaves and bright green flowers. They bloom in late winter and early spring. It is very low maintenance. In mid-spring, you can prune off any spent flowers as well as any old, tattered foliage. The plant spreads fairly quickly and forms large clumps that can be divided every few years. Plant the divisions immediately and water them in well to give them a good start. Stinking hellebore thrives in part shade and rich, well-draining soils. It is hardy to USDA zones 6 through 9. They are fairly drought-tolerant once established. Like its hellebore cousins, it is poisonous if ingested, and therefore deer-resistant. Stinking hellebore, you can grow that.